Good morning, dear students. Welcome again in online classes. I hope you all are fine at home. Our lesson 5, chapter 5 is over. I hope you have completed your homework in your copy and book. Homework is available on the school website. You can complete from there. Do you know, children, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about water. Very nice. Today we are going to learn about water. In last chapter we read about food. In lesson 5 we read about food. The basic need for living thing is food, and the first basic need of living thing is food, and the second basic need and the next basic need for living thing is what is? The next basic need is water. Very nice. This is the basic need for all living things. Today we will start this chapter, water for life. Okay? So, the first one. Water is very precious. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. This water is very precious for everyone. This water is very precious for everyone. We should not waste water. Everyone should not waste this water here and there unnecessarily. If it is needed, if you want this, then you can use this water wisely, but don't waste this water here and there unnecessarily. Okay? Water is very precious. We should not waste water. Now, the next one. We should not throw waste into water. The second thing, we should not throw waste into water. We should not waste any waste thing now it will not work, it is very small. Any waste, if I will put this thing inside the water, it will be useful for us? No. After putting this inside, we can drink this water. You can drink this water from this bottle? No. First we will throw, we will wash, then again we will fill this water, then it will be able to drink. So we should not throw waste into water. Okay? If you will throw waste inside the water, if you will throw waste into the water, it will be useless for us. It will be useless for us. After that, we can't use this. I hope it is clear why water, what is water, and we are going to learn about water. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. Water is the basic need for all living things. Water is the basic need for all living things. Now, uses of water. Uses of water. You can see this book. Uses of water. We use water for various activities. We use water for different kind of activities. We are using water for different type of works. For example, drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning and gardening, etc. You can see this. Drinking, we can use the water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning, putting on fire and gardening too. We use this water, we use the water for many kind of work, for different type of work, such as the example is given: drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning and gardening. Cleaning and gardening. Do you know, children, living things cannot live without water. Living things. Living things you understand, no? In the last chapter in food, what is a living thing? Who can breathe? We are living things. Animals are living things. And birds are living things. Trees, living things. These will come in the living thing. Living things cannot live without water. They have to drink water. They want water to survive on the earth. For example, human being means us, all peoples, animals, plants, all need water to live. They all, birds also, they all need water to live. We need water. You can see these days is too hot. After some time, daily we drink 7 to 8 glasses of water, or more than 8. We are feeling very thirsty. Suppose if we will not get water any day, then what will happen? You will not feel okay. So water is very precious. All living things cannot live without water. Human beings, animals and plants, they all need water to live. Animals also drink water. They need water to wash themselves. They need water to wash themselves. Okay? Animals need water to wash themselves and drink also. We wash our pet animals. Our dog, cat, cow, parrot, whatever is there in your house, pet animal, as a pet animal. We wash our pet animals and cattle with what? Water. We wash our pet animals and cattle with water. But those who are living in the forest, these animals are living in our house, so these are pet animals. We wash them. But those who are living in the forest animals take bath in lakes and streams. Forest animals, those who are living in the forest, they take bath in lakes and streams. Okay? Clear? Uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning and gardening, putting fire, so many things, etc. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. We should not throw waste material inside the water. And all living things need water. Without water, we cannot survive. Okay? All living things, whether plant, animal, bird, trees, all living things need water to survive. Okay. Now, the next one is sources of water. What is sources of water? From where do we get water? This is sources of water. Do you know, children, from where do we get pure water? From where do we get pure water? We get pure water from rain. We get pure water from rain. Rain falls from one white color is there outside in the sky. What is that? Cloud. Rain falls from cloud. Rain falls from cloud. See, sources of water. We get water from various sources such as rains, such as rains, rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans. We get water from rains. We get pure water from rain. This is the source of water to get pure pure water. And other sources, we get water from rains, rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans. Okay, see the picture. Rain, river, ocean. And can you guess, children, what is this? This picture. What is this? Very nice. This is well. What is this? This is well. Water from these sources is cleaned and stored in a large tank. Large storage tank, which those water we are getting from rain, river, ocean and ponds. First we clean the water. After that we store that water in a large storage tanks. After storage, from these storage tanks, water is sent to our homes through pipes and taps. After this storage, we get this water in our house through pipes and taps. Yeah, very nice. But this one is the underground example of water. Well, water is also found under the ground. These waters, rain, river, oceans, these are on the surface, on the earth, but the well, we get water from the well. Water is also found under the ground. People dig well to pull out the underground water. And the example of the underground water is this one, well. Well is a source of underground water. Well is a source of underground water. What is the source of underground water? What is the source of underground water? Tell me. This one. Well, very good. So, is this clear? Our first topic is water is very precious. Water is very important for us. Without water, we cannot survive. Water is a basic need for all human beings. Without water, any living things can't survive on the earth. We should not waste water here and there unnecessarily. We should not throw waste materials, any waste thing, into or inside the water. After that, uses of water. What is uses of water? Drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning and gardening. We can use these water for, we use water for different kind of works. We use these water for different kinds of works. Okay. Now the next thing is sources of water. Next thing, sources of water. We can get pure water from rain, and the other sources is rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans. We can get water from these places. Well is a source of underground water. What is the source of underground water? Well. Well is a source of underground water. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. Well is a source of underground water. Okay, this topic is clear. Now, tell me children, what happens if we do not pour water to a plant for a few days? Suppose this is a plant, okay? This is a plant and this is a water. If we do not pour water to the plant for few days, then what will happen? Do you know what will happen? What will happen? Plants dry up. Plants dry up and die. If we will not pour water to the plant for few days, plants dry up and die. Okay? We when they get enough water, plants grow up. When plants grow, when they get enough water. Plants grow well when they get enough water. They use plants, not this one. They use this plants. They use water to make their. They use this plant use the water to make their food. Very good. Plants use water to make their food. Very nice. Today's today's topic is clear. I hope you have clear. And tomorrow we will start. Next day we will start. Storage of water. Next day we will start storage of water. Today we read human beings, all living things need water to survive. Uses of water, in which what is the use of water? These are the examples. And sources of water, from where do we get the water? And the example of underground water. Okay, tomorrow we will start storage of water. Thank you class. Bye bye.